Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can power on or power off your Google Pixel 4 XL. So to switch off your device, you can press and hold on the side button right here. So press and hold. Then tap on the power off button right here. And this will shut down your device. If you want to turn it back on, all you have to do is press and hold on the side button for a few seconds. So press and hold for a few seconds, and this will allow the device to turn on. Shortly after, you should see it say Google, and then it will try to initiate the boot up process. And that's it. Once you have boot up your device, you need to log into your device with a PIN, password, or a pattern unlock, and then tap on the go button to unlock the device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.